welcome back to another episode of Knitting, Science, and Craft. If you're watching this video, then stop, like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to learn how to hold yarn the English way. So we're going to wrap the yarn around our little finger and then around the index finger on your right hand. Holding the working needle with your right hand, controlling the tension with your right index finger. Now we are going to knit one, holding our yarn the English way. And just like that, we knitted one stitch holding our yarn the English way. This is a very common way to hold your yarn while knitting. Thanks for subscribing to Knitting, Science, and Craft.